Here's how to update iPhone apps even without the Apple ID password. First, update apps normally from the App Store. For this, open the App Store on your iPhone. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then, tap on the App Updates option. Find the app you want to update, like Snapchat for example, and tap on the Update button next to the app. It should download and update the app automatically. If your iPhone asks for your Apple ID password and you don't know it, use the next method. Second, update an app without the Apple ID password. For this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down just a bit, and tap on General. In here, open the iPhone storage section. Scroll through the list of installed apps and select the app you want to update. Then tap on Offload app. Confirm by tapping Offload app again. Now tap on Reinstall app. Your iPhone will download and install the latest available version of the app. Your documents, app data, and settings will remain on your device. Once the installation finishes, repeat the same process for other apps you want to update without Apple ID password. Once the app is updated, you can open the app and continue using it normally. And that's it.